Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Princess of Aesthetically Princess. If you are new here, then you are seeing me in a very new light. Hi, here on this channel I usually do a multitude of things from hair to skincare to art and currently a packing video. So you're going to be taken on a journey of me packing at like 3 a.m. because I leave at 6 a.m. for a trip to West Virginia to go see my family, which I will be vlogging as much as I possibly can because I want to practice, because I do want to do Vlogmas for some reason. I don't know why, but I do want to. So I'm going to be taking you guys on that trip of me packing as I talk about how I pack for long-term trips. I've been traveling for most of my life, whether it be week-long travels or travels up to 3 months in one area. So I do a multitude of different types of things when I pack and things like that. So I'm going to West Virginia from Georgia, and so the temperature is very different. So I end up packing a lot of warm clothes as well as different clothes because it is Thanksgiving weekend, just in case we do anything like formal. My grandparents are very upper middle class, so like I have formal wear for different things. I think the only thing that I haven't put in my bag is all of my masks, because I have to wear a mask everywhere I need to go. So as long as you're following the mask mandate, I think most things are good for you. So for us, we are going on this trip to go see my grandparents because it'll be like one of the last times we see them for the rest of the year before they move again. So that's where we're going. So I will see you guys in the voiceover. Okay, so it's time for me to finally start packing, and I really should have started packing earlier that day, not so late at night, but I was doing so much stuff at once I really didn't have the time. So what ended up happening was, at the moment I am currently picking up my outfits. So like I said, I am going up north, so it's going to be a lot colder from where I am currently, and I've decided I wanted to at least have two very nice outfits and then some backup outfits for, not that aren't so nice, that are more comfy in case we just, do nothing all day, which we'll probably do. So just these two outfits were just to back up. At first I was like, each outfit should have like something to, make it fancier, but I was like, that's a lot of work, it's a lot of packing to do, so I might as well just pick two cute outfits to zhuzh up and then call it a day, which honestly I'm not mad about. I think I was much happier with this happening than actually having to pack all those different outfits. So thank goodness I, thought about it. So as for the outfits that I decided to take, I decided to go with all of my good, all my favorite warm outfits, things that I usually wear, which would be like my favorite knit skirt, one of my green skirts that I have that I always wear, and then both of my turtlenecks, and then some sweaters that I like to wear on a regular basis just around the house since I'm so cold. As for shoes, I am wearing my white Nikes up there and in my travel outfit, which I'll probably would be wearing back. And then as for my other shoes, I'm taking my pink boots, and then my silver boots, and then my black boots for outfits. But all of my other outfits can fit in with just regular white shoes, which I'm very proud about, because color coordination and all that stuff. So as for when I was picking these outfits, I was kind of going for the idea of, I need stuff that's going to keep me warm because the weather is so cold, and at the same time be comfy enough to like wear around the house to just hang out with my family, because that's all that we're actually doing. If we go out to eat, we'll probably go out to eat once, and we'll probably find a place that's really good at social distancing to be able to do all that. It's like a 12-hour drive up there. I think like it's 12 hours to get up there, and then we'll be up there for 4 days. So honestly, I didn't need as many outfits as I took, but just to be on the safe side, I took a good amount. As for how I packed my bags, I packed all of my undergarments and my pajamas and all of my underwear essentials into this little carry-on bag so I could have all of that in one place, and then I packed all of my actual outfits into my suitcase. What you won't see me pack is like more underwear, pads, because if you don't know, as a female, you should always pack pads whenever you're traveling, just in case your period, even if it's already ended or has a while before it comes on. Traveling always fucks with your period, so always make sure to take good old feminine care. As for comfort, because I had so many long sleeve sweaters, and it wouldn't be freezing cold, it'd be just kind of cool up there, 50 Fahrenheit actually is like the lowest it'll get. So I just took some sweaters. I might grab my coat before I leave, but I don't think I'm going to need it, quite honestly, because it's not that bad. So I just have this zip up pullover that I really like, you know, one that all the holiday vloggers wear. And I'm not mad about it. I actually like all the outfits that I picked, and they all seemed like something I usually wear. Also, disregard what's happening on the TV. I was currently watching Do Do Sola Dodo Soso La La Soul on Netflix. Such a good show, by the way. 10 out of 10 would recommend you guys check it out. I'm very happy with the way I packed, because usually it would be a lot more organized, but I was kind of lazy. I was kind of tired. It's literally currently 3 a.m. as I'm filming it, so I was over everything already. The clear bag right next to it is where I put all of my makeup and my skincare. You didn't see me pack my skincare. I washed my face before, you know, I packed it, and then I packed everything into that particular bag, and then went and set it, and then I decided to zip it into my actual suitcase to save room in the car, because it's not just me in this car, it's me and like 4 other people. Not fun as it sounds. I'm going to tell you that now. I'd also remembered to pack all of my handkerchief, my scarves, my scarves that I put on my twist, because I ended up twisting my hair up so it'd be easier for me. And I set aside the yellow one for my outfit tomorrow. If you want to see the outfit that I wear on my travelings, follow me on Instagram, I guess. All of this was very quick, very easy. Thank goodness that I was organized enough to do this. I had already thought about it during the day to be like, okay, this is what I need, this, and this, and this. So I just went ahead and packed those things that I needed and called it a day. Honestly, this was a quick and easy packing session, and I was very happy about it. Usually when I pack all of my stuff, I go through a system of the idea of, okay, pick things that are perfect for the weather. So I always check the weather before I go. I always check how long my timing is, so I can make sure I know what I'm taking and what's essential. Here is me getting all of my backpack together, because in my backpack I usually just take it with me in the car, so it sits next to me in the car. It'll have, you know, just random stuff that I put inside of it. My chargers, usually my tablet, my notebooks, which you'll see me getting, my journals and things like that. I was wondering if I was going to put my clear bag inside of my book bag, but honestly I didn't need to, because it fit perfectly inside my suitcase. Even though it didn't seem like I had room, I did. But again, like I said, I usually kind of, when I pack, I have a lot more better road trip advice in my other video, but when I pack, I kind of make sure that I have things on hand that I need access to. So feminine wear, my masks are also packed in this bag. You don't see me pack them, but they're in this bag as well. Pens, my tablet will go in here tomorrow morning when I finish getting ready to go that day, so that'll also be in there. My pillow, my neck pillow, and my blanket can also fit inside of this bag, thank goodness, but I'm going to keep them out until we have to get into the car. Usually if I need to grab snacks, I'll put snacks in here too, but we have a huge bag that we usually take for snacks in the car, because that's one of the things I have to say that you really need on a trip, is like a plethora of snacks, so you don't have to keep stopping for food and things like that. And then I'm just throwing in the last few things, like an extra hairbrush, just in case I like lose mine, because trusting my sister, she will. You saw me kind of walk back and forth figuring out whether or not I was going to take a flat iron, but I remembered my sister wears wigs. I don't. I would have just my natural hair, but she wears wigs, so I just take it just in case. I also packed my speaker that I usually keep in the bathroom, because we usually play music while we take showers. So I kind of packed that as well, as a, you know, just in case we might need it at my grandparents' house, because they don't have speakers in their house. So that's all, and I will see you guys in the outro. Bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If this video was any help to you, please also give it a thumbs up. Give it a share. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I think I have one other packing video on here for a trip that I took in June, so I'll try and link that down below. If you want to see any more of me at any point in your life, you know, just follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.